everyone, and welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Cheyenne, and this is the Patronus Plant Room, and I'm happy to have you guys here to join me for another planty video. Today, we're going to go ahead and be rearranging the plant room. I think it could just use a little bit of moving around so I can utilize the workspace better and utilize the window over here for better light this summer. So I am excited to show you guys all that. I'll go ahead and insert voiceovers as we're doing stuff about why I'm moving things and where I'm moving them and like all of that. But I am happy to have you guys here to join us and we can go ahead and get started. All right, and here is a quick view of what the plant room looks like right now if you haven't seen it in my other videos. I have this shelf here, which I am going to kind of be leaving the way it is. I'm probably going to move it a little more this way because I'm going to be moving this shelf to over by the window here in place of the desk. So that'll be able to move at least like a foot this way to get some more natural light on it as well. And then this is kind of going to be staying the same. I'm going to be moving some plants around, but the shelf is going to stay where it is. I think I'm going to be moving this shelf here to this spot right here where this is. And then I think I'm just going to be moving this over one direction because there'll be room with this shelf and that shelf still to have that one there. And then this desk that I have here in the windowsill, this area gets a lot of light. That's why I keep a lot of my like succulents, but those ones will be going onto the back patio here soon once it warms up. So they will have their own spot. And that means I'm going to move this desk. I'm going to try and put it, I think maybe like here, somewhere I can use it to record, and there's like a little project area that I can work on my plants and actually have a spot to sit down because right now I've been kind of just using like this table. It doesn't really provide like a good spot to sit. So I'm gonna do that, move this over, and that'll make room for the other table and some other light-loving plants that aren't gonna go on the back patio. And then we have this corner over here, and you can see how dark it is back here even with this light. So my plan is to kind of move this cube shelf to like right here so it's getting some more light from the window, and then I'm going to move this bookshelf that's blocking a lot of the light I think to right here, and then I'm just gonna I think put like a plant or something in the corner because it'll get a lot more natural light that way without such a big shelf blocking it. But then I'm kind of optimizing this whole section here. So you can see the scan. You ignore the mess in the corner here of storage stuff. But there's just, you know, a lot of plants in a small square footage. I think I'm also going to be getting the Lego storage moved out today, so that'll be nice to have the extra just room in here. And there's nice extra soil, so I'll have to find a spot for that. And I want to get this shelf a little more filled up. I wasn't utilizing it a whole lot over the winter because this corner just didn't get much light, and I didn't have this really good Barina light quite yet. But yeah, I just need to move some plants around. I'm going to move everything off of this shelf, this table, I think that shelf, this shelf, and this shelf, and that shelf. So it'll be kind of chaotic. I'm going to have everything pulled down and just sat down on the table or the floors where they're out of the way. And I'm going to try and record that as best as possible so I can share it with you guys. Side note, look at this new leaf. It's a little damaged down here, I think, because it was having some trouble coming out. But it's the new leaf on my philodendron caramel Pluto. And it's just got such pretty color. It's the first new leaf since it got home. So I'm just excited to see what else it does. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get started with that. right, well, I think that will be all for the rearranging of the plant room. Thank you guys all, if you made it this far into the video, for watching. I know this was a pretty quick video. I just wanted to show you guys me rearranging a little bit. And now I have this little studio area as well, so that is super nice that I can use to, like, when I need to repot or just talk to you guys. It's nice to have a little bit of an area that is comfy, and I can also use it for working and just enjoying the plant room on a day-to-day basis. So I'm excited to have this. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below to join me for more planty content here in the plant room. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I'll see you in the next planty video.